And after that, we can then start to install Git. And for Git, I just want to show you two different options. One is for a beginner, so you can just head over to the GitHub page, to the GitHub repository, click on code, and then download everything as a zip, and then extract it locally. The other one is a bit more advanced. You can just install the complete Git program on your system. Here also just head over to this URL. It's looking like this. Same story, search for your system type, click on download and installation. Nothing specific to mention on that one as well. And then if you want to follow this advanced approach with cloning the repo, you most likely know already what you have to do. But for the students who want to find out for themselves for the first time, with Git you can use version control, but you have to configure it for the first time when you use it. So you have to run then in the git bash, git config -- global username, and in quotations you have to put your username. And then also you have to specify with git config your user email. And then you can head over to the repository. And that is the repository that you need to search for. And when you're here, you can follow this first approach. Here I'm just showing you that once you're here on my repository, you can click on download zip. Then the complete repository is downloaded and you can extract it. You find it then in this folder and we can extract it into a local folder. So when you're here, this is the place where I'm going to paste it, just under some temp folder. You can use whatever folder you want, but this is the starting point for me. And now I'm going to work with this folder. The next part is that we are going to open our environment.